Hello everyone, this is Gopi. Welcome to my YouTube channel Power with Gops. Knowledge shared equal to knowledge squared. In this video, we will take a look at one of the latest updates from November 2022 on Power BI for small multiples. Let's get started. For this demo, we are going to use one dummy data which I took from Kaggle. So it's a normal sales table and have one calendar table and some measures. Let's start the demo. Let me take one line chart. And x-axis will take the date and y-axis will take revenue. We'll add on month slicer. Let's change this to drop down and we'll select 1 month. Let's take Jan. Okay. Now this update is regarding small multiple, right? So this is the date wise revenue. Let me add the product name into the small multiples so that the chart is splitted in like this. So each and every product name have the separate revenues. Okay. So let me get rid of this axis titles. I don't want the titles on the axis. So turn off, turn off. Okay. So now you can see this y axis, right? So everyone is showing 1 billion, 1 billion, and here right side we don't have that axis. So by default, so this is the way it is. And if you go to format section under y axis, you can see it's a shared y axis is by default it is in on. Now the update is y-axis is going to change as per the numbers. So here you can see it's a very flat line, but here there is a big spikes is there, right? So but here also there is a spike, but it is not looking that much good. It looks like a flat line. Why? Because the numbers is like that. Here it is in 0 billion to 1 billion. The data is like that. So the update is first we need to turn off this shared y-axis so that every chart have this y-axis. So you can see every multiples have this y-axis, and now you need to turn on this scale to fit. Once you turn on this, you can see the change, right? So see this is from 10 million or 0 million to 30 million, and here it's 100 to 300. So the maximum numbers is changed based on the values on this particular chart. This numbers is changed. So now previously, see, if we turn off the scale to fit, this chart you can see this is like a flat line. However, once we turn on the scale to fit, you can see the huge difference. So this will clearly convey the message, right? So we can come to know easily, so what is where it is increased, where it is decreased, so what is the value. Everything we can easily come to know. But with this, it looks like a flat line. It looks like everything is same. But the real data is not like that. There here also there is ups and downs. So scale to fit. So this is the update for this smaller multiples. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new from this video. If so, please like this video, share it with your Power BI friends, and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you very much.